Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's Taylor.
And I'm Jack.
And welcome back to Smokeshow Happy Hour, our favorite excuse to day drink. So I'm done with all the green beer. It's been too much green food coloring in all my drinks. I'm looking forward to the warmer weather and getting ready for a sunset old fashioned right here. This is going to be a beautiful drink. We're going to be using Aperol, Luxardo, so you're going to have a little bit of a cherry underlying there with some good flavor depth. We're going to be using Evan Williams. I don't want any slander in the comments down below. I think it's going to get the job done for this drink. And for some citrus effect, we're gonna have some Harlequin orange liqueur. Let's get right into it. So we're gonna pour in 2 ounces of Evan Williams bourbon. We're gonna pour in ½ an ounce of Aperol. We're gonna do 1/4 of an ounce of Harlequin and 1/8 of an ounce of Luxardo. So while he's pouring that drink, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting our garnish ready over here. The first part of that is going to be our lemon peel over here. Try and get yourself a nice long strip if possible. The longer the better, because we're gonna do a twist here.
Look at the color of that.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Yeah. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna get one of our fancy boozy cherries.
Oh yeah, shout out Curious Kitchen on Instagram or tagged right here.
We like a cherry.
Yeah, you feeling
Here
cherries?
at Smokeshow, yeah. This has a nice, rich, thick syrup.
No, it's perfect. So that syrup, to actually use it in your old fashions, has been a delight for me to try.
Yeah, I speared the cherries, but what I'll do a lot of times is I'll actually scoop it out with a spoon and then stir it in there with that, and you kind of get that little hint of sweetness too.
Absolutely.
But here, we're just looking for the cherries.
So I have a very small lemon twist here. I'm gonna actually redo my lemon twist.
Hey, that's average. That's a perfectly normal lemon twist.
What do you guys think down in the comments? Average lemon peel twist, or is that one a little small? There's a bunch of different ways you guys can go ahead and cut your garnishes. You can get geometrical with it, or you can just do a very simple little
rustic
little peel of your lemon right there. So once you guys have that garnish cut up perfectly, we're gonna go ahead and just twist that around the end of our bar spoon. It gives it that perfect little bounce. It kind of looks like a pig's tail when you're done. There you go.
That looks so good.
Honestly, dude, I'm really excited to try this one. I'm not gonna lie, having any cherry in a drink like this excites me. Cherry is my favorite flavor growing up. It was like, even the cherry cough drop, or cough syrup and stuff too.
So good.
It wasn't ever bad for me.
People always hated on that, but it's so good.
I'm ready. I think you should get the first sip, honestly. I've worked on crafting it, creating it. I'm super happy with the color, the garnish, everything. So let's get a rating. Let's see how it is.
Yeah, this looks insane. And it's kind of like a paper airplane, right? Or paper plane?
Absolutely. So it is Amara Nonino is the one difference between this and having a paper plane too. So we might end up having a paper plane around on the channel for one of our happy hour recipes, but this one is going to be very similar and have a lot of depth in there too. Yeah,
this is fantastic. It's definitely bourbon forward. And honestly, I know a lot of people kind of talk down on Evan Williams. It's perfect for a drink like this because it packs a punch without a lot of proof. So it doesn't drink heavy, but it has a lot of flavor. This is really good. It's complex. It changes on the front and the back of your tongue. That Luxardo, just that little hint, adds just such a nice undertone. It's really, really good. You got cherries in your nose.
I did. Oh, that is so good. Yeah, that's amazing. I definitely think when I've had Aperol drinks in the past, it's been too forward, too in my face, and it's like, wow, that's crazy. This really evenly mixed together too. It's not in my face in a bad way. I'm getting bourbon forward, but we all love that. You know, bourbon's a good thing here on this channel, so.
Yeah, actually, good point on the Aperol too. Normally, whenever you have Campari or Aperol, that is the flavor. This is certainly not the case here.
Yeah.
It's really good.
Wow. Honestly, I would rate this drink a 10 out of 10. It's getting me in the mood for this warm weather that we've been having out here in the Carolinas. So I'm ready to have a drink like this next to the pool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We don't have to sneak away and take photos because I made this drink beforehand and took some photos. So if you want to go check them out, go check out our Instagram, tag below down in the description. But if you have a recipe you want us to try in the future, maybe drop a comment. We'll try it out, or I'll let you know. And until then, we'll see you guys in the next video.
Cheers.
Cheers. It's a fucking lemon twist.